Hello and welcome. And this is C++ FAQ session. If you did not subscribe, please subscribe to our channel by clicking subscribe button. What are the multiple inheritances or virtual inheritance? What are what are its advantages and disadvantages? In multiple inheritances, we just saw in our previous video. Multiple inheritances example, we have more than one base class from which a derived class can inherit. Hence, a derived class takes the features and properties of more than one base class. So for this we can take an example, something like let me say, like, for example, a person can be an employee also. So a class driver will have two base class, namely employee and a person, because a driver is an employee as well as a person, right? This is advantageous because the driver class can inherit the properties of employee as well as the person classes. But in the case of an employee and a person, the class will have some properties in common. However, an ambiguous situation will arise as the driver class will not know the classes from which the common properties should be inherited. So this is the major disadvantage of multiple inheritance. I repeat the example. So we have a class will driver. The class name is driver and it has two base classes. One is from employee class and another one is from person class. Okay. The major advantage of it is because the driver class can inherit the properties of employee as well as person, right? So but in case of an employee and a person, the class will have some properties in common. That driver class will have some properties in common, but in an ambiguous situation will arise as the driver class will not know the classes from which the common properties should be inherited. So when you are dealing with the common properties, from which class I have to take through, that conflict arises. This is considered to be major disadvantage of multiple inheritance. So to take care about that, there are few other techniques. Those techniques we will discuss in our programming sessions in later period. Okay. So until then, you please subscribe our channel by clicking subscribe button and pressing bell icon for personal notifications. Thank you.